Thinking about buying a Mercedes-Benz? Before you commit, there are a few important things you need to know. Is it made in Germany or somewhere else? What about repair costs and maintenance? While Mercedes delivers luxury and performance, it can also come with hefty expenses if you're not prepared. Watch this first to make sure you're making the right choice for your wallet and your ride. Is that Mercedes really made in Germany? Not all Mercedes-Benz cars are made in Germany anymore. Some are built in other countries, and while they may look the same, German-made models generally have better engine quality and durability. Always check the origin before buying, because it really does matter. The V8 powerhouse. Mercedes' naturally aspirated V8 engines are legendary for a reason. No turbochargers, no superchargers, just raw, reliable power. These engines can deliver strong performance while staying dependable over time, especially if they're properly maintained. That simplicity adds years to the car's life. Luxury has a price, especially in repairs. These cars are full of high-end technology, but when something breaks, it's not cheap to fix. Suspension systems, electronics, and other features can cost thousands to repair. What looks like a dream ride at first could later feel like a financial nightmare. Air suspensions are smooth until they fail. Air suspension systems make the ride feel like you're floating, but they're complex and expensive. If one strut goes bad, you often have to replace both. And when the rear airbag suspension fails, expect to pay even more. Repairs get expensive very quickly. Don't skimp on mechanics or tools. Mercedes vehicles require special tools and diagnostic equipment, like the $5,000 Autel IM608 scanner. You can't take these cars to just any mechanic. If your tech doesn't know what they're doing, a simple job like replacing brake pads could disable your entire car. Even the brakes are high-tech. Changing brake pads isn't simple anymore. Mercedes cars use electronic brake systems that need to be reset with a scan tool. One wrong move could trigger warnings and stop the car from driving. Even the most basic repairs demand serious skill and tools. Small mistakes can lead to big problems. One mechanic did a regular brake job, but the car wouldn't move afterward. It took professional-level scanning, resetting, and patience to fix the issue. Mercedes are sensitive machines. If not handled correctly, even minor tasks can spiral into big headaches and extra costs. So many computer systems, so much trouble. Modern Mercedes vehicles have up to 87 computer modules all connected. These systems control everything, from braking to shifting. If any wire or module is damaged, repairs become extremely complicated. That's why wrecked or flooded models are usually better left unrepaired. Wreck a Mercedes? Just take the insurance. If a late-model Mercedes gets into a serious accident, don't try to fix it. The wiring is too delicate, especially the bus system. Most of the time, it's cheaper and smarter to take the insurance payout and move on to another car. Not built like they used to be. Older Mercedes were known for strong metal parts. Today's models, lots of plastic. From the grille to trim pieces, many parts can crack easily. Yes, they still feel solid while driving, but underneath, things just aren't as tough as they used to be. Great safety features, but poor gas mileage. Mercedes helped pioneer safety tech like anti-lock brakes and stability control, which are still some of the best. But don't expect fuel efficiency. Some V8 models average under 10 miles per gallon. You'll pay big at the pump, and in insurance too. Should you still buy one? Mercedes cars are smooth, stylish, and powerful, but only if you can afford the upkeep. Maintenance, repairs, and tools are expensive, and things get complicated fast. If you're okay with all that, go for it. But be sure it's made in Germany first. Mercedes offers luxury, but only if you're ready for the costs. Choose wisely, and always know what you're buying. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for honest car advice that could save you money. Thanks for watching. Until next time, drive smart and stay safe.